Steps to enhance internet performance. There are several steps you can take to enhance the performance of your internet connection. Number 1. Restart your router. A simple restart of your router can fix connectivity issues and improve the performance of your internet. Number 2. Update router firmware. Regularly updating your router firmware can fix bugs and improve performance. Number 3. Check your Wi-Fi signal. Ensure that your device is within range of your Wi-Fi signal and that there are no obstructions between your device and the router. Number 4. Adjust Wi-Fi channels. Wi-Fi channels can become congested in densely populated areas, causing slowdowns. Try changing to a less congested channel to improve your speed. Number 5. Limit the number of connected devices. Having too many devices connected to your Wi-Fi network can slow it down. Try disconnecting some devices to see if your speed improves. Number 6. Disable bandwidth-hungry applications. Applications like peer-to-peer, file sharing and online gaming can consume a lot of bandwidth. Disable them temporarily to see if your speed improves. Number 7. Upgrade your internet plan. If your internet speed is consistently slow, you may want to upgrade your internet plan to a higher speed option. Number 8. Connect your device directly to the router. Connecting your device directly to the router, rather than through Wi-Fi, can improve performance, as it eliminates the potential for interference from other devices. Number 9. Use a wired connection. If possible, use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi for faster, more reliable performance. By taking these steps, you can improve the performance of your internet connection and enjoy faster, more reliable online experiences.